Welcome back to Food Friday with Samy Bee. I am your host, and for today's cooking show recipe of the week, we are going to start repping them fall vibes, and we're gonna make this delicious apple pie smoothie, and it's gonna be a healthy version, so you don't have to worry about your waistline. This is good for you, full of nutrients. Who's ready? Who's ready to start celebrating fall? It's still summer where I am, but I know some of y'all are still starting to celebrate fall, so let's begin. This is for you. I'm going to make it in a single version because it's just me here today. So we're gonna start with our cup. So for the frozen portion, we're gonna use, I have frozen apples. You can use fresh apples. I would prefer frozen. It gives it a little bit more of like I wouldn't say like a milkshake sort of consistency, but using frozen fruit does make the drink colder and better texture in my opinion. So I'm filling that like maybe halfway full, and then we got some frozen bananas for like that sort of ice cream finish. So about half of frozen banana. Alright, I know I said that this was going to be a healthy smoothie. If you want to just kick it up a little notch and really go for that pumpkin pie flavor, if you're not too worried about calories, there is the Cool Whip. You can even use, I don't know if they have low calorie. I don't have much left, but I was thinking we could do like a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon, just for that added pumpkin pie, right? Like pumpkin pie, like you do not eat pumpkin pie or apple pie without ice cream or Cool Whip. You just don't. Right? Am I the only one who thinks that? If you want it to be a little bit more of a genuine apple pie taste, I would suggest adding a little bit of ice cream or Cool Whip. Next, we're going to add cinnamon, of course. Oh my god, that is like literally fall vibes. Just, I don't know, use what your heart desires. Vanilla extract, and only use a little bit, because if you've ever tried vanilla extract on your finger, it doesn't taste very good. So you're literally adding like that much in. Again, we're kind of going for like that caramelized apple pie, apple fritter vibe. So we're going to use a little bit of honey for sweetener. Honey is a great natural way to get your sugar in without it, like being still natural. I'm using this Cali Farms unsweetened almond milk. Is it in flavored? Oh, it's unsweetened. I just said that. I just wasn't sure if it was vanilla flavored. But it is kind of frozen because my fridge is hardcore. And then we're just gonna fill it up to the rim. Not the rim, the line that says maximum. Because we want that creamy pumpkin pie texture. If you have any, I don't think I do. I would, oh, I do have brown sugar. I don't know, we did honey. I would suggest getting some sort of like graham crackers, crushing them up, and then topping them with it. If I would have thought of that before I started making this, I would do that for this video. Unfortunately, I don't have any graham crackers or anything like that. Not even like cookies I could crumble up. But that would be a nice topping. No, like, just for the aesthetics, I think, and it would probably taste pretty good too. Darn it, I wish I would do that for this video. But that's it. That's all you gotta do. That's super easy. It's gonna be super healthy, besides the Cool Whip. But you know what? A little bit of calories is good. Calories is fuel for your body. Think about a vehicle. It needs gasoline, right? Let's blend it up. Well, to be honest, you won't really see the topping of this anyways. But I guess if we wanted to go for a little bit of aesthetics, because you could put this in a fancy glass, which I would recommend. But I don't have a dishwasher or anything, so hand washing is just sometimes a pain in the ass, let's face it. So you could top it with some cinnamon, woo! Or, like I said, some graham crackers, but it's gonna look pretty. And then we taste test. So cheers, guys. I don't know if you guys know how excited I am to try this. I'm starving. That tastes like fall. I'm not ready for fall, you guys. I'm literally doing this for you guys. That literally tastes like fall. It's so sweet. If you like really sweet, everything I did, perfect. If you want it a little bit more sour, maybe use a little bit more apples. You could use like green apples, they're a little bit more sour, but this literally tastes like an apple pie, an apple crumble, whatever you want to call it. A 10 out of 10. Perfect, healthy, small smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to help me reach my dream of 1,000 subscribers. We're so close, you guys, and it would mean the whole world to me if you could help me reach my dreams and make them come true. I love you guys, and I'll see you next Food Friday for another fall recipe. What? Who is she? I know, it's gonna be so good. You guys are gonna be so excited. Okay, bye guys.